Everyone, it's me. I'm actually, this is the old dehumidifier, the one that's a fire hazard, because we actually have to dispose of it ourselves. There's the filter out of it, because they said you're supposed to dispose of it yourself. I'm just trying to think of how to do it. Maybe I can do it up here somewhere. Because this is the one that you actually have to get rid of yourself. So I'm going to try. We're just waiting for the recall kit for the refund to come in the mail. And they said you're supposed to dispose of it yourself. Well, really can't do that because we can't dispose. That's one item you cannot get rid of. So what I was going to do, because we have to tear it apart, is I was going to take it apart myself so we can throw it away in pieces. But I needed something to sit down on to do it. Well, I could sit on this chair. I'm going to set the camera down real quick. Because since you have to dispose of it yourself, which I'm going to have to open that door because it's kind of warm in here. Like a little bit of a breeze or something in here. I took out one screw. I don't know how well this is going to work. Two screws. So I got two screws out. Screw number 3. See if I can put it down. Three screws. So I've got one screw, two screws, 3 screws, and that would make screw number 4. And this back panel should come off. All 4 screws off. So now let's see if this will come loose. Unless there's more screws on the side, which I probably think there might be. So I got those 4 screws off. I'm going to stop it right here because I did get 4 screws off. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.